Silver Eagles, again, are that story, and we're going to talk about them many, many times tonight. 37 years of bliss, designs, vintages, all being different. If you go back to the original beginning, let's jump into that time capsule, shall we, and go back to 1986, there were two choices, Unk and Proof. That San Francisco Proof is the treat, and tonight we have it, at least limited quantities, so join us. Actually, it's the first 2 years of issue, 1986 and 1987. They're at $129.95, which means you can join us on year 1 and year 2 than you can than buying the 2022s from this year that our competition has between $159, $179 in the open market. Now, these Silver Eagles are the dog. It is the place to be. And look at this price. It definitely is the place to be.
These are the San Francisco proofs. The first two in the series started in 1986. This is year 1 and year 2, 1986, 1987. They made proof Silver Eagles out of San Francisco for the first 7 years. Then it came back in 2012 for the anniversary, and they made a 2017 San Francisco and the congratulations sets and the limited edition sets, and they've been making one every year since then because it was so popular.
Love the coin. Again, it's proof. Proof is a method of manufacture. It is 2 polished dies, a polished planchette, the piece of silver, struck twice under enormous pressure, gives you that mirrored surface, and the background being the mirrored where you can actually see yourself in it. That's what a proof is, right? It's a method of manufacture. Tonight, that method is available, which was struck for collectors. They made unks and they made proofs. Our competition has this one at $165 each. They're selling 2022s, as I referenced, at $159 to $179. We can go back to the very first one ever. That would be these two, 86 and 87. And actually, of these two, just talking out loud, the 87 is actually harder to find. Because everybody said, I got the first one. And it's very special. Still grab onto it. But that second one, the 87, kind of a sleeper in its own mind. Save a bundle, in stock, ready to go in the original government packaging. San Francisco all the way, right? The first coins were struck in San Francisco. They didn't change to Philadelphia to 1993, West Point in 2001. So these are all of those special coins.
The finest strike, the proof, mirror-like background, the rarer of the two made each one of these years uncirculated and proof. They made 5.3 million uncirculated coins in 1986 and just 1.4 million proofs. 1987, over 11 million uncirculated coins were made and just 904,000 and change proofs. Each one of these comes in the original government packaging as issued by the U.S. Mint in 1986, 1987 with certificate of authenticity. $129.95 each. Again, competition at $165. These are vintage 86, 87s, the originals, the beginning of the most popular coin series in United States history, the American Silver Eagle program.
And they're gorgeous, outright gorgeous, what you would expect of a proof. So again, $129.95 versus $165. The key is finding them, and then the key after that is the best price. Tonight, that would be us, $129.95. The other comparison is looking at 2022s. 2022s that are out there in the marketplace right now are $159 to $179, sold out. That W, they made 500,000 of them this year, so they're all fresh and ready to go. And that's still selling for $50 more per coin. I love it. I hope you do as well. Unfortunately, we don't come across these often enough, which means we have to always have a very, very short conversation on them. Guys, we got to put a 1-minute clock up. You got to be moving forward.
905-1115, that's your item number for the 1986, and 905-1969 is your item number for the 1987. Both available on avccoins.com. Many, many other proof Silver Eagles available there as well. If you want to take a look and see what we have, these are up there. There's that San Francisco mint mark just above the words fine silver on the bottom left. That S stands for the very special and the very popular San Francisco mint. Proof Silver Eagles, OGP all the way, original government packaging. Your choice opportunity, buy one or buy both. Get the 87, get the 86. What do we get in on the first and second years?
Proof Silver Eagles, proof Silver Eagles, proof Silver Eagles. in the series, that's the one word you want to know, and it's the one quality you can't surpass. It's the best of the best every year. Tonight, they're also the rarest of the year, because remember, they didn't start adding satin finishes or reverse proofs until 2006. So year one, Unken Proof, proof is the rarest. Year two, Unken Proof, proof is the rarest. These are those coins. And our price tonight, not $165, our price is $129.95 while they last.